Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Dima, I'm from Belarus, I'm native Russian speaker. This video I will record without any preparation because I hope you know that I'm also learn foreign language. I learn English language. I try to learn English almost every day, and one of my methods, if you know, is speak English on a camera right now like this. And I advised you to use this method if you also learn foreign language, Russian language, Chinese language, I don't know what language you learn right now. And in this video I made up my mind to share with you my feelings, my knowledge, my minds about why I record videos about Russian language, why I try to help you, try to help other people to learn Russian language. And because today I asked myself this question, and I just decided to share with you my answer to this question. I think that why I record video about Russian language, why I'll try to help you to learn Russian language, because one first reason is I also learn foreign language like English language, and I know what I say about. I mean, if you learn Russian language, I know that is a very difficult and hard task in your education if you learn Russian language. I know how difficult Russian language. I know what I say about. Understand? Because I'm native Russian speaker, and right now when I learn English language, I know that I told about it in my last video that English language is more easy and more simple and than Russian language, yes, and Russian language is more difficult and hard, but is more logical, yes. I told about it, but this video not about it. I mean, when you learn Russian language, I know that it's very difficult, because when I started to learn English language, I also it's very difficult to start to learn foreign language. For example, when I started to learn English language, I know what I say about it, and therefore I decided to help you to improve Russian language, because when I started English language, I didn't have I didn't have any knowledge, any motivations to start to learn foreign language. And probably my speech, my video, like I record right now, will help you, will give you my motivation to continue to learn Russian language, to go on to learn Russian language, understand? And I know that it's very difficult to learn Russian language. I know that I repeat this phrase a long time. Therefore, I just decided to help you to learn Russian language. And I hope that my videos help you to improve your listening skills, keep speaking skills. If you, for example, don't understand something, please write in comments your questions for me. I promise, I really promise to answer you. I promise to help you to improve your skills in Russian language, because I know what I say about. I know that learn foreign language is very difficult task. Second reason why I continue to record video about Russian language, because when I record video in my YouTube channel, a lot of people write me in comment under my videos about their questions about Russian language and so on. And this kind of method, this kind of way, I meet different people from other countries, and it really interests me to meet with other people from other countries, because when I record video, other people from other countries write me in comment under my videos, and I meet with these people, and these people is usually native English speaker. Therefore, when I communicate with these people, it's very effective and good practice for me, for my English, because Right now I communicate with one person from Canada, and it's very a good practice for me, for my practice, for my speaking skills, because this kind of method I improve my speaking skills. When I communicate with these people, I remember what English words and phrases I know, and what English phrases and words I need to use at this moment, or in this moment when I communicate about this topic, this issue, this question, when I need to answer this question, how I need to ask in this situation, understand, for that person, understand. And I also advise you to find this person, this native Russian speaker, who also will help you to improve your listening skills and speaking skills. And if you are shy, yes, probably it's a problem for you. But I'm also was shy, and when I communicated with this person first time, I a little bit worried, and it's obvious because I'm native Russian speaker. He's from Canada. He's native English speaker, and of course I a little bit worried about my skills in English speech, English language. But right now I don't worry anyway. Don't worry at last. Understand? No, at all. I don't worry at all when I communicate with this person. When we communicate, when I speak English with this person. Therefore, you also need to find this kind of person, this native Russian speaker, to improve your listening skills and speaking skills. I repeat one more time the same phrases, I know about it, but I hope you understand me, what I wanted to tell you, what I want to tell you right now. Therefore, I repeat one more time. I have two reasons why I record video on my channel. First reason, I record video on my channel about Russian language because I'm also learn foreign language like English language, and I know that it's very difficult task. And just when I learn English language, I also try to help you to learn Russian language, to improve your listening skills and speaking skills in Russian language. Probably, I don't know, you can tell me right now that probably I'm kind person, yes. Probably it's true, yes, and it's really I don't know. Just I like to help some people. I like to help other people to do. I confused, sorry. And second reason why I record video on my channel. I record video on my channel because I like to communicate with the other people from other countries. Because when I communicate with those people from other countries, and if this people is native English speaker, it's very improve my skills in English language. Understand? Because I started to learn English language more effective, exactly more effective. 1 year ago, understand? And when I watched my first video on my channel, I see my results. I see my results, how I improve my skills in English language from first my videos. Understand? I repeat one more time that I record this video without any preparation. I just need to practice my English. I need to practice my speaking skills, yes, in English language. Therefore, I speak English on a camera, and I speak English right now. I speak from my heart. I hope you understood me, and I hope that I really help you to improve your skills in Russian language. And one more time, please, please write me in comment your questions about Russian language. I know that I'm not professional teacher, Russian teacher. I'm ordinary person. I'm tiny person in our world, but I'm native Russian speaker. I speak Russian every day, and I know how you need to speak Russian if you really want to sound like real native speaker, understand? Therefore, please, if you liked my channel, please support me, subscribe to my channel, put like, write comment under my videos. I don't know, about Russian language, about my life. If you have question about my life, please write me, I will answer you. Let's communicate each other in Russian language, in English language, I don't know. If you learn Russian language, please write me. We can communicate each other in Russian language, understand? Because this conversation will improve your skills in Russian language. So I will finish this video. If you liked my channel, please support me. Really, please support me. Write and comment your questions. Put like and bye bye.